Hi, I'm Mary Attea. I'm the chef at the Musket Room in New York City.
And hi, I'm Chef Anita Lowe. Today we find ourselves more than 6 months into the COVID-19 pandemic, a time when millions of families are struggling to put healthy food on the table.
Nonprofit organizations and state, local, and federal governments have done a great job stepping up and providing food to feed American families, but many families receiving these resources lack the information needed to make the week's meals. And a lot of this food is going to waste.
In honor of World Food Day, I am joining Common Threads to raise awareness for health and nutrition during COVID-19. To help families facing food insecurity, please support Common Threads. You can learn more or make a donation at www.commonthreads.org. A $25 donation will help buy groceries to cover 2 meals for a family of 4 that's participating in Common Threads virtual classes. And a $500 donation will fund an entire Common Threads virtual cooking and nutrition class.
Today we are going to be making a Lebanese-inspired meal of mujadara, which is lentils and rice, and a carrot salad, using ingredients commonly offered by food banks. So after chopping the onion, you just want to add a little bit of olive oil to your pot. Have it on a medium to medium-low heat, and just let it sweat out for about 5 minutes. They're getting a little bit translucent and a little bit of color. We're going to add some cracked black pepper and let that cook for a couple more minutes. Once the onions are sizzling and the pepper has been cooked for a minute or 2, you're going to add 1 cup of lentils and 4 cups of water. We're going to turn the heat up high to bring to a boil. And when it boils, then reduce down to a simmer and cook for 20 minutes. These have cooked for about 20 minutes now and softened a bit. The water reduced a bit, so I'm going to add 1 more cup and then half a cup of rice. Mix that in, and we'll cover it and let it simmer for about another 20 minutes until the rice is tender. So after about 20 minutes of simmering, the lentils and rice have come together and are both tender. And I'm going to add now some more salt to taste. And that's it. This is mujadara.
So I'm going to make a simple carrot salad to go with this mujadara. It's just grated, peeled carrots. You can grate it on the larger holes of your box grater. And into that, I'm going to put a little chopped onion. This is sweet onion, but any sort of onion will do. Red onion's nice. I've got some chopped parsley. Of course, that's optional. I've got a pinch of allspice. That's also optional. And a pinch of cinnamon. To that, I'm just going to add some salt and pepper. And a little bit of lemon juice and some olive oil. That's it. If you don't have olive oil, regular oil will do. If you don't have lemon, any sort of acid will do, some vinegar. Mix that up. Again, taste it. Yum. A little bit of salt. And that's it. I'm going to get some mujadara. This is an easy, inexpensive meal that you can make with very little time. And it's also nutritious. And it's great. You can do this as a side dish or as a meal in itself. Sometimes we add yogurt that would add a little bit more protein. Thank you, and don't forget to vote.